Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $500 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $500, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Angel 1988 Emax Babyhawk FPV drone. In the modern age of FPV and content creation, the need for a small, fast, portable drone capable of capturing 4K stabilized video footage has never been more necessary. In the pursuit of this, Emax has updated one of its proven platforms to meet the demand for this capability, through the Babyhawk 03. In partnership with DJI, the Babyhawk 03 features a crisp 4K video feed with zero latency, enabling video capture in a variety of situations. Built into the DJI FPV system is rock-steady video stabilization, enabling smooth video recording straight out of the camera. Utilizing the most optimal power system for carrying digital video transmission systems, power-to-weight ratio and efficiency is achieved, pushing the barriers for long flight times with acrobatic capabilities. From cinematic flights through exotic locations, to high-speed chases in action sports, the Babyhawk 03 has the ability to meet performance demands while retaining a relatively small size for portability and staying under 250 grams. Based upon Betaflight, an open-source drone operating system, constant new features within the community are added, allowing the Babyhawk 03 to stay up to date and relevant in the years to come. Being on such an open system allows a new world of customizability, encouraging filmmakers and content creators to adjust characteristics and features to their production needs. Adding modules like GPS, personalized lighting, and more are easily achievable. Number 2. Aoft Technology Freestyle Drone. Jepxinbot 25S 2.5-inch remote control freestyle drone WTF/PV/03 air unit. Link SP with speeds to 1505 4300 kV motor quadcopter. Integrated external design, equipped with reinforced carbon plate and modified material for one-piece injection molding at the bottom. The shock-absorbing protection cover of the camera provides better stability for footage shooting. 2 power versions are available, the regular one with speeds to 1404 motor and the superior one with speeds to 1505 motor. The Type-C and boot button on the rear makes parameter adjustment convenient. Optimized silicone T-shaped antenna fixing component. Cinbot 25 light quadcopter equipped with a Lee HV4S 720 mAh battery that weighs less than 250 grams. Equipped with the new Taker G445A AIO, the G4FC has a stable flight computing capability. An integrated 45 ABL32 Escape possesses strong discharge capability that supports a refresh rate of up to 128 kpwm. The compatibility between 03 VTX and cabinet makes the installation of memory cards and footage loading easier. The customized fixing stand of the receiver simplifies the internal space. Diversify the selectivity of the battery with the comprehensive fixing method of aluminium components and straps. Number 3. CFLY Faith Mini 2 4K Drone. 240 grams, oldable drone, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. Optical flow positioning. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Altitude hold mode. In altitude hold mode, The drone maintains a consistent altitude while allowing roll, pitch, and number 4. Emax official Tinyhawk 3 drone. At Emax, our engineers are driven by self-improvement, constantly pushing boundaries to bring you the best. That's why, when challenged to create the next chapter in the Tinyhawk series, they developed the extraordinary Tinyhawk 3 Plus. This latest innovation takes everything we loved about previous generations and elevates it to new heights, addressing any limitations along the way. The Tinyhawk 3 Plus boasts a rigid body frame, prioritizing durability like never before. Every weak point has been meticulously reinforced, ensuring ultimate reliability. Feel confident as you race, knowing that your motors and electronics are well protected within the aircraft's sturdy internals. With increased transmission power, the Tinyhawk 3 Plus punches through interference and obstacles with ease. You'll experience a more robust signal, allowing you to fly with confidence even in challenging environments. Our engineers have fine-tuned the analog system to optimize signal strength while maintaining stability, so you can focus on your flight without worrying about signal dropouts. The Tinyhawk 3 Plus HD version features our groundbreaking HD0 video transmission system, setting a new standard for clarity and precision. This system ensures that every detail of your flight is captured in stunning high-definition quality. Say goodbye to low-quality feeds and immerse yourself in the crystal-clear visuals that HD0 delivers. Alongside the Tinyhawk 3 Plus HD version, we proudly unveil the Reimagine Transporter 2 HD FPV goggle. It features a detachable screen that can be paired with our brand new E8 transmitter, providing a fully customizable flying experience tailored to your preferences. Equipped with a powerful receiver, the Transporter 2 HD ensures a pristine high-definition video feed, delivering the clearest visuals possible. And with the built-in DVR, you can capture your FPV flights in stunning HD. Number 5. Drone SG906 Max 2 Professional Drone. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120 degrees fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters, and the drone cannot move forward. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one key: low power return, no signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. To image follow 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gesture. The aircraft will